So just installing my new water cooler into my Alienware Aurora R9. So just purchased on Amazon the H60 Corsair. So I've got her open at the moment. As you can see, I've got the power arm extended. I've took off the part where the airflow blows out the top. I've got my radiator put in. So don't be fooled into thinking that the holes don't line up, because they do. You just need to basically push it in, give it a bit of you know, bit of willy, as they say over in England. But once it's all in, you've got to make sure it's the right way, the correct way round. That's why the holes don't line up. So you want the pipes this end, where the two holes are, not this end. So yeah, I'm just doing that. I'm going to remove the CPU in a minute. CPU fan, remove the thermal paste, and then just fire up and see what we're going to do. I do recommend taking out the graphics card and the RAM when you do this. This will help shorten the time when you're doing all this. So yeah, when you're taking out the panel, there's a couple of little bolts that you can find, one there and one right here. That's another one as well, and it just pops straight out. And then obviously you've got to take the fan out. This is the old fan that come with it. And then this is the Corsair fan that you're going to put in. So yeah, I'll update you when I'm getting further. So we're installing the fan. Make sure the fan's on the correct way around. You don't want to put the fan this end of the grill. You want to get the radiator part here, and then the fan here. Yeah, that's what it says in the instructions anyway. But yeah, you're going to use these screws, the longest part. And just plop them in there, screw them in tight, and then we'll move on to the next stage. Alright guys, so I think we're all rock and roll, ready to go. We've got the graphics card in, put the RAM back, made sure the fan was in the correct way around this time. Little tip, when you're putting the fan in, the fans come with directional arrows, so obviously you want the arrows to face upwards to blow out. So yeah, it's all in, everything's back. So yeah, we're gonna just do that. That's the only way you're gonna be able to push this arm down. But yeah, I'll let you know when it's up and running. Alright, well this is the result, guys. I think that's a significant difference, don't you? What's up, peeps? So final result, just show you. So it's fired up, it's all working. Load it up. I'm just going to show you the core temperature now of my my computer. So obviously this is an Alienware. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see. Sorry about the mess. So let that load up. What a difference it is between, I was getting temperatures of like 68 and 75 when I was playing World of Warcraft. I play Elder Scrolls and all them other, you know, fun games as you do. So yeah, when this loads up, I don't know why it takes so long to load. But yeah, there we go, finally. So you're going to Fusion on your Aurora. As you can see, the difference in heat is quite significant. I was getting a lot higher temperatures than that. I was getting like 58, 65, almost 75. That does go down to like 34 as well. But yeah, job well done.